I'm a hair flip girl. If you want to smell heavy on it, it's heavy. Hello, beautiful besties. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Cheraye. Welcome. If you happen to be returning, you are truly appreciated. Thank you so much. And welcome back, besties. Today, I'm sharing with you 5 fragrances for 5 different occasions. You guys, I am loving these videos. They are just very helpful, and a ton of you have said how helpful and how much you are enjoying them. So I am back with another one. This is 5 fragrances, 5 different, I shouldn't say occasions, more like lifestyle, like places you would wear them to and what occasions you will wear them to. If you want to hear what they are, please continue to watch on this channel. I do cover fashion, beauty, luxury, and lifestyle. All things fancy and fabulous, darling. If you would be into that, want to know more about it, definitely consider hitting the subscribe button. Don't stop there. Tap the notification bell. It's going to alert you every single time there's a new video placed on this channel. And of course, go ahead and stop what you're doing. Take 2.5 seconds. Drop down in the comment section right now. What fragrance are you currently rocking? What have you sprayed on for the day? Leave it down below because I want to know. Also, if this seems like your vibe or you just go ahead and take it a step further, come over, slide in the DM, and say hi on Instagram. Without further ado, we are jumping into this video right now. Hey, besties. I got this idea from TikTok. I don't know, it was going around. You guys know I live on TikTok. Okay, I'm not proud of it. I'm not ashamed of it either. It's a good time over there. So I always try and take ideas and bring them back over to the channel and put my own spin on them. So that's what we're doing today. So if you want to smell sexy, Delena, reach for this or something of this sort. This is Velvet Orchid by Tom Ford. You guys, this is so sexy. It has like all of the sexy notes in it. It's kind of boozy. It's got rum, it's got honey, it's got mandarin orange, black orchid, it's got jasmine, rose, vanilla, sandalwood down in the base. It is a beast. It is long lasting. It is going to get on your body, hold you tight, and never let you go. This is something you can cuddle with, something that you could spend the night with. This right here is good. I move on. If you want to smell clean, I would recommend something like this. This is Musk Therapy. This is a beautiful fragrance, citrus, it's floral, it's fruity, it has blackcurrant, it has sandalwood. It's a beautiful fragrance, and the thing that I love about this fragrance is that you can mix it with so many other fragrances and still get that fresh, clean, aesthetic vibe coming through with this fragrance. So if you're looking for something easy reach, a fresh, clean fragrance, I would definitely say rock something like Musk Therapy by Initial Perfumes. I move on. If you want to smell feminine, girly, classy, yet sophisticated, and you want a beast fragrance, you already know what I'm going to say. If you're not new to the channel, you already know that I am going to recommend Delena by Perfumes de Molly. Now, this is not, what do I say? This is not blind buy worthy. Like, none of the fragrances that I ever talk about, you guys, am I recommending that you blind buy them. But this is a favorite for me. I absolutely love this fragrance. It has the rhubarb, lychee, it has nutmeg, it's kind of tart, it's fizzy, it's effervescent, it's girly, it's a compliment getter, it is a beast, it is never going to leave you, never let you go, it's dainty. It's just all the things. It's all the thrills and feels. It's a very foo-foo, la-la kind of fragrance in my opinion, and I absolutely love it. I talk about it all the time. So for that feminine, girly, kind of vibe, I would recommend Perfumes de Molly, Delena. I move on. For the elegant, classy, even wedding appropriate scent, I would say, even signature scent worthy, I would say, just very classy, very elegant, opulent even, if you allow me to say that, I would recommend Creed Windflower. This is a beautiful fragrance. A lot of people have compared it to one of my other favorites, which is Coco Mademoiselle, which I don't see. I don't get that. But everybody's nose can interpretate anything or any fragrance how they want to. So I did try and go in and sniff them both to see if I got the same, remnants of it. And I didn't. For me, it stands on its own. It's a beautiful fragrance. It's iris, it's rose. It has jasmine, peach, orange blossom, sandalwood, musk down in the base. It's soft, it's elegant, it's very pretty, it's very feminine, I would say classy. It's elegant. It's an elegant fragrance. So if you want to smell elegant and sophisticated, I would say reach for something like Creed Windflowers. I move on. Now you're dating and you want to smell kind of girly. Sometimes we need that fragrance that just makes us feel kind of girly, kind of flirty even. I have two. that I want to share with you because I couldn't decide between the two of them, but they both kind of give the same kind of vibe, but they're totally two different fragrances, so they do not smell alike at all. Both kind of fruity though, I would say in the beginning. I would just say fruity, flirty, not taking it too serious. You know, we don't always want our fragrance to come in and be so serious and so in your face. Sometimes I like a playful fragrance, and I can appreciate both of these for that. The first one I'm going to talk about is Madison Avenue, and this is by Bond 9. This is a beautiful fragrance. I'm not a huge Bond 9 girl, but you guys, I will tell you the truth, okay? They are coming out with a new fragrance. If you follow me on Instagram, I already posted it. If I have a picture of it, I'm gonna pop it up here. It smells so good. I was like, okay, I spent probably, I don't know, I met a woman at the Neiman Marcus counter, and she and I was just hanging out talking forever, and she was letting me smell all the Bond 9 fragrances. They have some amazing fragrances. Let me say that. A lot of them that she let me smell, they smelled like other fragrances. Like I smelled a fragrance that smelled like Baccarat Rouge Tri 40. I smelled a fragrance that smelled like Gentle Fluidy Gold. I smelled so many fragrances that smelled like other fragrances, but they were really, really good. She let me smell one that was in like the all gold bottle. Oh my God, that was so good. Like, they were good, but I was like, I already have something like this, but they were really, really good. So I do see where all the hype is from the Bond people, because I have a lot of people that love Bond 9 fragrances, and she was like, you know, the Bond 9 rep. So she was telling me how they are made with all oils and how they last so long and why their fragrances are so unique and so different and yada, yada, yada. And I was like, oh, okay, wow. But yeah, this new one that they have coming out, it was really, really good. So get your nose on it and let me know your thoughts. She did give me like a little insider on when it's coming out and different things like that. So we'll be talking more about that on the channel. But today I want to tell you about, for a nice, fruity, feminine, girly, flirty, playful kind of fragrance vibe, I would say Bond 9, Madison Avenue, Rose Floral. It's fruity, apple, and it has blackberry, bergamot, jasmine, magnolia. It's a beautiful fragrance. I wore this on a movie date. It was really nice. My guy enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. Kept asking me like, gosh, that really smells good, because we had picked this up at Neiman Marcus. Was it Neiman Marcus or Bloomingdale's? I don't know, you guys, one of the two, okay? And he was like, is that fragrance? I was like, yeah. So it's really good. And then the other one that I talk about all the time is, of course, Eden Juicy Apple 01. This is another fruity apple. I think it's got blackberry, blackcurrant, black something. Sexy, fruity. It's like a body splash. It's not the longest when it comes to longevity. It's not the longest when it comes to projection or anything like that, but I don't have a problem with it. It delivers to me exactly what I needed to deliver, and it's very, very sexy, flirty, girly, in your face, gonna want some attention, grab some attention, hold your attention. I would definitely say check out one of these or both of these. I move on. That's it. That is it. I just wanted to pop on and share some fragrances with you. I did a TikTok and I did a reel kind of along the lines of this same type of theme, but I didn't talk. So I came over here to do the talking. You guys, I have the hardest time doing short film content because I like to talk. I like to have a conversation. I like to do a 2.5, a 10.5. I mean, you know, if you watch the channel, I like to talk. But I am working on it, okay? I'm trying it, but I'm still gonna come over here and spill the tea. So these are my recommendations. A lot of times when we're going somewhere in life or in our lifestyle or everyday occasion or what have you, we like to have a different fragrance for what's gonna fit the mood. I know that's how I am. Like, I went to a football game the other day and I had certain fragrances that I wanted to wear. Then I went out on a date night this same weekend. I didn't want to wear what I wore to the football game. It wasn't for me. I need my fragrance to match the energy, match the vibe, match the look, match where I'm going. It's just like when you pick out your clothes. You have to have a clothes that fit the hairstyle, the bag is gonna fit. I mean, I don't know about everybody, but this is how I am. So my fragrances have to tell the story and go along with the vibe of what I'm trying to deliver. If you can relate to that, make sure you hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit the like button, and don't forget to drop down below what you are reaching for. We are going to be talking about fall fragrances all fall long. And of course, we're going to be getting into some winter fragrances. I got a top 10 heavy hitter list coming. This heavy hitter list is heavy, okay? Heavy on it, it's heavy. I'm just saying. And that's it. I'm still rocking you guys, I'm done with the fragrance, okay? This is just like the behind the scenes of what's going on. I'm still rocking my ponytail. I am super excited, you guys. Here's the thing. Can I spill another 2.5? The reason why I am loving this ponytail so much, because you don't have to sit there all day or as long. I just go and get like basically a blowout or whatever it's called, and then come home, secure the perimeter, put it down, tie it down, and then I am good to go. I can work out. It's just so easy. But I'm not gonna fib. Like when I was growing up, we weren't allowed to say the word lie. So sometime when I'm talking, I still don't allow myself to say the word lie. But I mean, I'm grown now. Can I say lie? Anyways, I'm not gonna lie, I do miss my inches. Like, I do miss I'm a hair flip girl. So, I mean, I don't know when it's coming back, but it's definitely gonna be coming back. But I'm definitely enjoying this pulled back, easy breezy, no hassle, no fuss type of vibe going. But I do miss I'm a hair flip girl, okay? I want to flip the hair. So definitely by the holidays, it's going to be back. But that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you all are doing well. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. You know I love you like cook food. If you have any video requests, this is the time to put them in the comment section, or come in over to Instagram, slide in the DM and put them in over there. I am going to be recording so many videos. I am trying to do something. I'm not going to say it because I don't want to add the pressure to myself, because the pressure is getting worse and I don't want to add that pressure to myself, but I'm trying to do something. So I really do need your video ideas, just to have like in a book. I don't know, I said too much already. That's it, you guys. You guys just be having me talking. It's enough. It's enough. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'll see you beautiful besties in the next one. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous, dwellings. Thanks for watching. Bye.